In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve a Pyraminx. So you can go ahead and scramble it. Once you have the Pyraminx scrambled, you want to know what color you're going to solve first. So I'm going to solve blue just because it stands out the most. So the first step is these are the tips, so you want to match the tips up with the centers, and these are the centers right here. These will be referred to as the edges because they're the edge of the Pyraminx. So once you have all your tips matching up with your centers, you want to put your finger on all the blue tips. Now we can see that this will be the blue side because the blue is connected to all the tips. So if we turn them, we have blue centers on each of the sides. If we were to turn it here, there is no blue center, so we can't do it there. So you have to do it here. Once you have the blue centers, you have to go to the second layer and find a blue edge. So here's a blue edge, a blue and orange edge, and you want to have the blue facing towards you, and so you want to have the orange side facing towards you and the blue on the orange side facing towards you as well. So now you can move the blue out of the way, bring up this bad edge, and then replace it with the blue and orange edge and bring it into its correct spot. Now we have to do it with the green and blue. So we have it on the green side with the blue facing us, so we move it out of the way, bring the incorrect edge up, replace it with the right edge, and bring it down. Now we can fix this blue edge. So bring it up into the top layer. Move the blue out of the way, replace this edge with the right one. Now we're done the first layer. The next step is to solve the second layer. You need to have the tip in the correct spot with the centers matching, and then you have to have the centers aligned with the correct side. So now there are two edges that have at least one color matching. So here is an edge, the green and orange, and we see the green is matching. Here is the orange and yellow edge, and the orange is matching. Here we have the green and yellow edge, and none of the colors are matching. So we put this edge at the back. Now we're left with one incorrect edge and one correct one. So if the incorrect edge is on the left, then you go left, right inverted, left inverted, right. And then you are left with the blue edge here, so you can put it in the correct spot again. And there you have it. Your Pyraminx is solved. You might also have the incorrect edge on the right side, and this is the same as the other algorithm, except you move the right tip first. So this algorithm goes right inverted, left, right, left inverted. And now the blue's on this side, so you can just insert it normally. And that will solve the Pyraminx. You might see another case like this where the edges have to be cycled clockwise. So how do you know if it's clockwise or counterclockwise? Well, if you turn the first layer, you see that the edges are matching. Now you know that you have to turn, these edges have to go clockwise. So put your centers back in the correct spot, and now we have to do this one algorithm. And the clockwise algorithm is right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. And your Pyraminx is solved again. The other case you will see is where the edges have to go counterclockwise. So if we turn the top layer counterclockwise, we see that the edges have to go counterclockwise. So put your centers back to normal, and you can do it from any face. And the algorithm for this is right, up, right inverted, up, right, inverted. And your Pyraminx is solved. So there are 3 cases that you might have, and those are the 3 algorithms for them. And there's also a parity on the Pyraminx, which is when you have one edge completely solved and these 2 edges have to be flipped. These 2 edges have to be flipped. So to solve this, basically just do any one of those 3 algorithms, and it'll put you in a different situation where you can solve it. So for example, if we do the counterclockwise algorithm, we are left with this case where if we put the edge that has no matching colors at the back, and then we can do the algorithm for the incorrect edge at the left, it'll solve the Pyraminx. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to solve the Pyraminx, and I hope you can get it solved. If you can like and comment on this video, it would help a lot, as well as subscribing. So thanks for watching.